You've been asking AI to answer you, and that's the problem right there. Every time you type a question and hit send, you're asking for a conclusion without asking for the thinking. And here's what most people don't realize. AI doesn't think before it answers. It focuses on prediction. It focuses on completion, right? It goes straight from your questions to the first plausible sounding response. And that response you get, it's often wrong, it's shallow, or it's confident in all the wrong ways. So here's the myth that we're going to solve today. Smarter questions get smarter answers. That's the myth. That's not how it works, guys. The model doesn't automatically slow down because your question is complex. It doesn't start thinking harder just because the stakes are higher. It gives you what comes next, statistically. But there's a single phrase that changes this completely. And it's not a trick, guys. It's actually backed by AI research. Google published a paper on it in 2022, and it's called the chain of thought prompting. So let's look at this chain of thought prompting, right? It is pretty simple. So instead of asking AI for an answer, you ask it to reason out loud, right? Step by step before giving you the conclusion. So essentially, you're not asking it to be smarter, but you're changing the structure of how it processes your request. You're giving it permission, right? And instructions to show its work. And the result is generally more accurate answers, better decisions, and fewer confident mistakes. In other words, fewer hallucinated answers. So what is this magic phrase? The phrase is think step by step before answering. So 6 words, that's it, right? Add them to the end of any prompt that involves reasoning, decisions, comparisons, calculations, or any kind of analysis. And the quality of the output goes up significantly. Now, this isn't just me saying that, right? This is research. Google's AI team ran tests across dozens of complex tasks, right? Chain of thought prompting outperformed standard prompting every single time. Now, let me show you the difference, right? I'm going to give Claude a business decision prompt. And it's a real one that I actually tested, right? First, we're going to start without a chain of thought. The prompt says, should I lower my prices to compete with a new competitor in my market? Now watch what happened. The answer came back really fast and it sounded quite reasonable, to be honest. It was structured and it was almost completely useless because it skipped the reasoning part. It gave me a conclusion without the thinking that should have led here. So now I did the same question. I repeated that with 6 words added at the end. Should I lower my prices to compete with a new competitor in market? Think step by step before answering. And this time, the model walks through the logic. It considers my margin, the competitor's positioning, customer psychology, long-term brand impact, and this time it reasoned before it concluded by giving me the answer. So it was the same question, but it gave me a completely different output. That's chain of thought, guys. Now, here's something people get wrong about this technique, right? They think it's only for math or logic problems, right? But that's completely wrong. Chain of thought works on any prompt where there are trade-offs, right? Context dependencies or multiple variables, right? For example, you have business decisions to make. You need to consider some writing strategies. If you're doing a risk assessment, right? Hiring decisions, comparing options. If there's any nuance involved, you want the model to start thinking and not just completing, right? The test is that if a wrong answer would hurt you, you need to add the step-by-step chain of thought reasoning. By the way, guys, if you are liking this video so far, I would request you guys to hit like and subscribe. All right, let's keep moving forward. So here's the formula, guys. Drop it into any prompt, right? It works on ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, all the free tiers. You don't need to change the rest of the prompt. Just append it with think step by step before answering. So you're going to have your complex prompt first, and then you're going to add a phrase called think step by step before answering, right? Or you could even go deeper, right? You could say something like, walk me through your reasoning before giving me a final recommendation. Now, the second version is even better for high stakes decisions because you can actually audit the logic, not just accept the conclusion. Now, let me give you 3 places to use this immediately. For example, if you have a business decision to make, just add step by step. whether you're pricing, hiring, choosing a tool, or picking a market. In this case, you want reasoning, right? Not just a recommendation. Or the other example would be analytical questions, right? Just add step by step. For example, if you want to compare two options, if you want to evaluate a risk, if you want to project an outcome, right? Complexity needs thinking, not guessing. Or maybe you are comparing a writing strategy, right? Just add step by step. So before Claude writes a headline or email subject line, ask it to think it through who the reader is, what they care about, and what the end goal is. So you have the same 6 words working across all 3 application areas, right? And you can have this expanded to many other application areas. I'm just giving you 3 as an example right now. All right, here's what I want you to do right now, guys. I want you to pick one decision you need to make this week. It could be business, it could be personal, it could be related to your studies. It really doesn't matter, right? Ask your AI for advice on it twice. First, you ask the advice in the standard way, right? Just ask the question as it is, right? And then ask it again with think step by step before answering right at the end. Now read both responses side by side and tell me in the comments, right, which one you'd actually use. I promise you that exercise alone will change how you use AI from this point forward. Now, here's where it gets interesting, right? Chain of thought makes one AI think better. But what if you could get 3 different expert perspectives, right? A lawyer, a marketer, a skeptical customer, right? All responding to the same prompt at the same time. That's the next topic, guys. It's called the persona stack, right? And it turns your AI into a full advisory board for free. Next video, don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.